Carly loves to play with the dog's water bowl, but because the dog's water bowl is kind of grody, we gave her a pot with water.
So much for spending all that money on those fancy toys we got, huh, Mom? Let's just give her a bowl of water to play with.
But the good thing is that toys don't make her wet and don't require direct supervision. Hey, Carly, ist das Wasser? Ist das Wasser toll? Let's see if we can drink it. Let's splash Dad. Is that fun, splashing Dad?
What are you doing, silly girl?
Carly, say bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye.